Hi, I'm Pierce Jentz with Deako Support. Today I'm going to take you through an overview and basic setup of our Astronomical Timer Switch. We're going to configure basic settings of the switch, which includes 6 categories: the time, year, month, day of the month, region you're located in, and whether or not you're using daylight savings time. We're going to do this by pressing the settings button and then using the up and down arrow to adjust for each of the 6 categories. Pressing the settings button will advance you to the next category, and if you need to go back and make an edit, use that settings button to bring you around in a full loop back to where you wanted to make the edit. The Deako Astronomical Timer Switch needs to be installed in a place where it's the only switch that controls the light. To install, first remove the faceplate from the wall. You can grab and pull it off with your fingers, or slide a credit card in from the corner and use a scooping motion like you're scooping some dip with a chip to pop it off the wall. Once the faceplate is removed, pull the blue tab near the top of the switch to mechanically and electrically disconnect it, and then simply pull to remove the original switch from the wall. Take the Astronomical Timer Switch and insert it into the backplate. Gently press on the switch while pushing the blue tab in to lock it into place and make the electrical connection. At this point, the Astronomical Timer Switch should light up and it will go through a boot up sequence. We will want to wait until it is showing 12 as the time on the screen. Let's start by pressing the settings button and the clock will start to flash. Push the up and down arrows to adjust the time until you get to the correct time. Now we'll press the settings button again to advance to setting the year. Use the up and down arrows to set the year, and press the settings button once done to advance to the next section, which is setting the month. Use the up and down arrows to set it to the correct month, then press the settings button to advance to setting the date. Set the date to the correct date using the up and down arrows, then press the settings button to advance to setting the region. For the region, you'll want to refer to the programming instruction sheet that came with the unit so you select the correct one. I'm going to set it to North because I'm located in Seattle. Once you have the region set, press the settings button to advance to the next one, which is daylight savings time. I'm going to set daylight savings time on, and then we're going to push the home button to exit programming. If you need to make any adjustments to those categories, follow those instructions again and just advance to the section that you need to edit and make the change, and then press the home button to exit programming. We can see what the dusk and dawn time is set to by pushing the moon and sun icon button. The first time you press the moon and sun icon button, it will show you what the dusk time is set to. If you push that sun and moon icon button again, it will show you what the sunrise time is set to. You can adjust the automatically calculated dusk and dawn times. To do that, we're going to push that sun and moon icon to either one that you want to adjust. So let's say you push it once and it's showing the dusk time. When it's showing the dusk time, you can use the up and down arrow buttons to set the new desired dusk time. Press the sun and moon icon button again to advance to the dawn time. If you want to make an edit here, use the up and down arrows to adjust the dawn time, and then press the sun and moon icon button to exit. Let's move on to adding a schedule that turns your lights on at dusk and off at dawn every day of the week. Press the program button to enter programming mode. Press the set button. Press the dusk dawn button. You'll see dusk time loaded into the schedule as the on time. Press set. All 7 days will flash. Press set program button to accept all 7 days to turn on at dusk. We have half of the setup done. Press the programming button to re-enter programming mode. Press the set button. Press the dusk dawn button not once but twice this time, so it shows dawn as the light off time. Press set. The 7 days are going to flash again. Press set to lock in having the lights turn off at dawn for all 7 days of the week. and then press the home button because we're done. You can manually turn the light on and off by pushing the button on the switch. When the light is on, the screen on the switch will show such, as well as when it's off. Thanks for watching the video. If any questions or issues came up for you along the way, please don't be shy about giving us a call or sending us an email to support@deako.com.